So, nakalampas na kami sa
You may board aircraft now for gate number 108. To the rest of the passengers, please remain seated and take note of your seat numbers.
hanap lang namin yung gate namin. 103.
Remember, 45 minutes.
Mas mahaba yung lalakarin natin sa Singapore. Konti na. Ang dami magta-travel, dami tao. Yay! Video ko lang. Pasakay natin ng plane. Ay, ang late ng ano natin, oh! Airbus lang tayo. Ang liit. Hey, what's up? Kala ko totoo yung ibon. Lobby. So, pagpasok mo, ayan. Wow! In fairness, maayos siya. Malinis. They have their soaps there. Fairness, small but smells clean and looks clean. So we have our little vanity here. We have our television, we have our refrigerator, we have our coffee and water boiler. We have so yun. Chill muna for a while and super pagod na. Ito, entrance.
Hi guys.
Oh, Paya Lebar Square.
Ayan, area.
Lights here.
Hello.
Walking back here.
We're gonna get in parang ano, Glorieta. Yung mga paldang ganun, 100 something lang. Leather. So, we're going on a city tour catered by Shadow Hotel Travel and Tour. And we are staying here in Fragrance Hotel. The room is quite small, but it's clean though. And simple. Ayan, magaan namin. Messy. So, yun. Nag-apply lang ako ng eye white BB cream and then sinet ko siya ng Maybelline White Super Fresh 24 hours matte foundation. And then, ginamit ko na yung All Weather No Smudge Mascara from Miniso. Parang anong nangyari? Hindi ako marunong mag-apply ng mascara kasi I don't use mascara talaga. And then Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and then Pink Sugar Blush, and then e.l.f. Contour Kit. Blouse from Forever 21 and shorts from Chica Booty. And bag from Parisian and shoes from... Where's my shoes? From... Nike. That's the vlog today. I'll keep posting, filming or vlogging within the day as much as possible para mapakita ko yung sa inyo, Singapore City. Hindi tuloy tayo makaka-selfie dito.
Mag-selfie ka na.
Already ba?
Dapat din tayo. Dito tayo. Tanggalin mo muna tayo mo ka El. Paano makikita ka El? Bilis na. 白色那只大的鱼尾蛇后边有一个小的，左边在右边啊。
好。
没事，咱们擦的。这只这里前面大的这只，还有小的。哎呀，这小的这是大的。Pag inabutan ako na swimmer dahil ako na wiwiwi na ako. Grabe. Kung iisipin ko, malinis pa rin kung para sa Pasig.
It's raining!
Yung phone mo.
Hardcore. Sabi ko, ba't na ako picture RB? Hindi ko po na masyado na-enjoy na ulan ko eh. Wow, Merlion!
Sarap naman dun.
Here we go. Ang fog off.
My God.
Diyan na tayo mag-selfie.
Bad trip
Wow.
naman, basang supa tayo dito.
May viewan ba sa may Merlion? Pero may dagat, no? Ang cute siguro kung tatayo tayo dito. Sa picture.
Basa akong basa.
Pati sa papi ko masyado na yun eh. Kael, Kael! Kael, picturean mo nga kaming tatlo. Picturean mo nga kaming tatlo, dali.
Ganda ng background. Ito ang ganda ng background natin.
Oo, dito tayo.
Ate, nasa pa kasi payong mo?
Nasa bag ko mabasa. Ito mabasa.
Oo. Wow, ang cute.
选择上面你选择对了。
你去北海呢？
你的路不比去过的那个没有。
有空就把海滩指标记好。
树蛙看过来。树蛙。树蛙看过来。哎呀，以后这样讲哈，你要之前哈，不要问我几点，你就是讲今天。你说今天啊，你说
Hindi. Sabi lang nila yung libre eh. Tapos pag piniprint na nila, papabili na nila sa'yo. Picture! 这个名胜世界嘛。We're going to Food Republic. Picnic. You guys, all expensive brands are in here, like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Michael Kors, Gucci, Coach. Just name it and they have it. for sure, ito magugustuhan natin.
来一个就不正常了。Hello，应该闲聊了。
Ano sa inyo?
比较正常的，不正常我很担心的。不正常我就担心了。Thank you。
Heading to the best watcher. May bakery. Ah!
The best view.
Ah.
Oh, pwede na tayo mag-selfie.
Okay. Wow. Kaya pala the best watcher. Overlooking. May 30 minutes tayo dito, no? 30 minutes ba tayo? Cable cars! Yay! Bawal. Bakit daw?
Sayang naman, no?
Hindi kaya ng oras.
Pwede tayo apat yun eh, no?
Ang saya. Saya na yung pipicturean mo yung buong ano. Picture tayo. Akyat pa.
Under the purple color line, your sticker very purple. Purple color is what? NE line. So NE stands for northeast. Northeast number 4. Like example, Cherry Log. Cherry is number 8. Purple number 8. Very station. Number 8 to number 4. How many station? 4 station. How much? $2. $4. Okay. Another way, take a bus from Orchard, 190. Mandarin Orchard Hotel, we take a bus 190 go to Chinatown. Okay, can you see decoration? See the letters after 7 hour. Okay, can you see the pagoda on the right? The Hindu temple. All the streets already closed. Prepare for the New Year, right? Celebration of the New Year. There's 4 important streets recommend to you. The player come over again. Okay, the first street coming. Pagoda Street on the right. Why we call Pagoda Street? Because of the pagoda. You see what they selling? Like shoe, bag, t-shirt, postcard, right? Mainly Singapore local product. And all these streets, when you go in, it's an interconnected. They connect to all the other little streets. But you observe now, it's very quiet. You know why? 2 reasons. First reason, it's rain. Right. Second reason, it's too early. Now, it's about crowd. Now only about 30 to 40% the store open. But after 5 o'clock until midnight, will be very crowded. Because after 5 onwards, is our Chinatown night market hour. Night market. That means to tell you the best time during Chinatown, the best time, it's possible to come back between 5 to 10:30. But as I mentioned, even coming actually about midnight. You see that? Not all closed. The main reason is raining and also too early, right? So we come back after 5 before 10:30 the best time. Okay, now another street coming, Temple Street. Why you got Temple Street? Because of the older temple here. Alright, see. This temple is selling all the New Year flower, New Year food, New Year products. Alright, they're closed now. Also because raining and because of the too early. Okay, after the Pagoda temple, the next one coming, next street very important for your stomach only. Meat on the spot for you. Okay, this 24 Hawker store, they're centered by the Singapore political form. The best hawker selling the best Chinese. That means no Indian food, no Malay Muslim food, no Western food, only Chinese. Like rice, noodles, and the price comes from $4. But not open now, they will open at 11:30. Another 5 hours, they want to open. 10:30 they close. But don't worry because new year coming, they have to recover all the rental, so the next sector is our demand building. Right, so from now onwards, after 11:30, right, when it's Friday night, the whole Chinese food, you can go to eat, right? And also, those who are looking for like t-shirt, shoe, bag, all these Chinese New Year flowers, Chinese New Year food, right? Local t-shirt, whatever, if you go to Chinatown. Okay, that's all. When the bus made that turn, after the children made that turn, immediately on the right, you can see the old temple, Sri Maniamma temple, right? There you can see a lot of lantern along the street. So that's actually our center, the heart of Chinatown. And also, only Chinatown, Little India, and Mandai Village. These are three places in Singapore. You can find a lot of old houses. You see the old houses there coming, 2 or 3 stories. They are not more than 6 stories. We call them shop houses, SHOP. They are the government reserve area. So all the owner